Why Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem? Bitcoin, being a decentralized currency, allows for the creation of a decentralized ecosystem under the control of users. This ecosystem is called Decentralized Finance, DeFi, and aims to provide financial services in a decentralized manner. What is DeFi? DeFi is a decentralized financial system. This system aims to provide financial services in a decentralized manner using blockchain technology. DeFi allows users to securely and anonymously store their currencies, easily transfer them, and invest. How does Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem work? The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem is a decentralized financial network created using blockchain technology. This network allows users to securely and anonymously store their currencies, easily transfer them, and invest. At the same time, this network enables users to transact with other users worldwide in a peer-to-peer, P2P, manner. Is the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem safe? Yes, the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem is safe. This ecosystem, created using blockchain technology, allows for secure and anonymous storage of currencies. Also, transactions are recorded and unalterable on the blockchain, which enhances the security of the ecosystem. How to use Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem? Using the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem is quite easy. Firstly, you need to create a wallet. Then, you can securely store your currencies in this wallet. Also, you can invest, transfer, and transact with other users worldwide in a P2P manner. Advantages of Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem. The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem has several advantages, such as decentralization. The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem is decentralized, meaning there is no central authority or intermediary. This enhances the security and privacy of the ecosystem. Anonymity. The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem allows for anonymous storage and transfer of currencies. This ensures the privacy of users and their transactions. Accessibility. The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem is accessible to anyone with an internet connection. This means that users can access the ecosystem from anywhere, anytime. Transparency. All transactions in the Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem are recorded on the blockchain, which is public and transparent. This ensures accountability and enhances trust in the ecosystem. Low fees. The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem has low fees compared to traditional financial systems. This makes it more affordable for users to transact and invest. Conclusion. The Bitcoin DeFi ecosystem is a decentralized financial system that aims to provide financial services in a decentralized manner. This ecosystem allows for secure and anonymous storage, transfer, and investment of currencies. The ecosystem is accessible, transparent, and has low fees, making it an attractive alternative to traditional financial systems.